Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through downtown Kingston and we are going to talk about the government wanting to put up a sign that says welcome to the City of Kingston. So this is the Kingston waterfront area basically. On the left is the Kingston Harbour and they have a sign up now that says welcome to downtown Kingston. But they want to put up a sign that says, welcome to the City of Kingston. Remember, the parish of Kingston is separate from the City of Kingston. The City of Kingston includes the parish of Kingston and parts of St. Andrew. But they want to put up a sign in this area, this vicinity, that says, welcome to the City of Kingston. And as you can see, this is Port Royal Street. It was recently renovated, very nicely done. So they want to put up a sign now somewhere in this area. They had actually wanted to put the sign in the ocean, in the harbor, in the water. So, and put lights on it, and that would be spectacular. That would have been really nice. But the cost associated with that, they scrapped that idea. So they are now in the works to put the sign somewhere in the vicinity of the Kingston Harbour, the Kingston waterfront. And you know, every time these signs go up, there is a lot of discussion. When the sign went up just outside the Montego Bay Airport, welcome to Montego Bay, there was a lot of discussion. And recently, the sign that said welcome to Negril was put on the outskirts of Negril, or when you enter Negril from the Montego Bay side. And it also created a lot of discussion. So we're going to go through an article that gives you all the information that's going on with the sign, so we know exactly how far they've reached. Plans are advanced for the erection of a City of Kingston sign in the vicinity of the waterfront, downtown Kingston. Mayor of Kingston, Senator Councillor Delroy Williams, made the disclosure during the meeting of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, in the entity's Church Street offices. The sign is intended to promote the city as a desirable visitor destination, business location, and a place to call home. We have been working on a City of Kingston sign since 2017. We put our first design on social media to invite the public to participate. We received a lot of recommendations and feedback, which we have incorporated into what the sign is now, the mayor said. He informed that dialogue has been undertaken with representatives of the Urban Development Corporation, central government, the Port Authority of Jamaica, as well as private sector partners regarding the erection of the sign. We really want to get this sign up as fast as we can, and I believe that we are pushing to have it within months now. Of course, we would have to start the process of procurement, he said. He noted that councillors will have the opportunity to provide feedback on the sign, noting that some have already done so. Senator Williams said the sign will tie into the transformation of the waterfront and the general downtown redevelopment. Where we really wanted to put the sign was in the harbour, but that was our original thought. But as you know, that is quite an expensive venture that we could not undertake. So we are putting the sign on land, he said. Alright, so that's the end of the article. So we'll be getting a very nice sign that says welcome to the City of Kingston very soon. And as soon as they put it up, or as soon as they start working on it, we will keep you guys updated. But this is the redevelopment they're talking about. This is our one-off. This is the Port Royal Street that was recently renovated, and the revampment wall built on the left. There you can see it nicely decorated. It has a boardwalk. So it would be very nice to put up a sign in this area. On the right, that is the General Penitentiary. It's a prison. And they had talked about moving it and putting it at another location because this area has changed so much now. But it comes down to the cost. So they don't really have any plans to move it right now, although they have been discussing it. But it comes down to the cost. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.